Welcome to my channel, and today I'm about to show you something that will completely change the way you think about motorhomes. Forget everything you thought you knew about road luxury, because Hummer has just unleashed the most extreme luxury motorhome ever built in 2026. It's bold, it's powerful, and it's dripping with next-level features that make it stand head and shoulders above anything else on the road. Imagine combining the rugged strength of a Hummer with the elegance of a five-star hotel suite, all packed inside one unstoppable vehicle. That's exactly what we're diving into today, the 2026 Hummer Luxury Motorhome. Let's start with one of the most exciting spaces inside, the kitchen. And trust me, this isn't an ordinary kitchen squeezed into a motorhome. It's a full-on gourmet paradise. The Hummer Motorhome comes with dual induction cooktops that heat instantly and cook evenly, perfect for everything from quick breakfasts to gourmet meals. A double-door smart refrigerator keeps everything fresh, with a digital touchscreen to manage temperature zones for meats, vegetables, and beverages. Right next to it, you'll find a high-tech convection oven and a built-in microwave, both styled in stainless steel for a sleek finish. The countertops are crafted from premium quartz stone, shining under soft LED lighting that creates a warm, modern vibe. Cabinets are all soft close, built with exotic wood finishes, offering deep storage for utensils, pots, and even space for a coffee station. The Hummer Motorhome even includes a hidden dishwasher, so cleanup is as easy as pressing a button. And let's not forget the smart water filtration system, ensuring every drop you drink or cook with is crystal pure. This kitchen is more than functional. It's a chef's dream come alive, proving that luxury cooking doesn't need to stop when you hit the road. Now let's step into the bedroom, where the Hummer takes comfort to unimaginable heights. First thing you'll notice is the oversized king bed, dressed in premium memory foam and layered with Egyptian cotton sheets for ultimate softness. The walls are padded with soundproof panels, creating a cocoon of peace even if you're parked near a busy highway. Overhead, soft ambient LED strips allow you to adjust the lighting with just a voice command, setting the mood from cozy to energizing. At the foot of the bed sits a massive 65-inch smart TV, fully integrated with surround sound and streaming platforms. But it's not just about tech. The craftsmanship shines in the hand-stitched leather headboard and custom wood trim lining the entire room. Hidden compartments under the bed offer space for luggage and valuables, while side dressers include wireless charging stations for all your devices. The climate control system lets you customize the temperature exactly how you like it, ensuring restful sleep no matter the season. With automatic blackout shades and panoramic windows, you can either wake up to natural sunlight or enjoy complete privacy at the push of a button. This bedroom isn't just comfortable, it's a moving luxury suite that rivals the world's best hotels. Next, let's talk about the bathroom, where Hummer has gone above and beyond to deliver a spa-like retreat. Walk inside and you're greeted by heated marble floors that keep your feet warm no matter where you're parked. The centerpiece is a full walk-in shower with rainfall and multi-jet options, offering a refreshing experience after a long drive. The walls are tiled in Italian stone, and there's even a built-in digital screen so you can listen to music or catch the news while you shower. The vanity is crafted from fine wood and topped with quartz, holding dual sinks and backlit mirrors with anti-fog technology. A luxury toilet system ensures cleanliness and efficiency, while hidden storage cabinets hold all your toiletries neatly. For that added touch of indulgence, the bathroom includes a heated towel rack, a fragrance diffuser system, and soft LED mood lighting. Every element has been designed to make you forget you're in a motorhome and remind you that luxury doesn't stop at the door of your bathroom. Finally, let's talk about the Hummer Liberty Motorhome as a whole. This isn't just another luxury RV, it's a statement on wheels. The exterior design carries Hummer's iconic boldness with futuristic aerodynamic curves, custom paint finishes, and massive wheels that scream power and authority. Inside, every corner blends technology with luxury, from voice-activated controls to sustainable energy systems like solar panels and advanced battery storage. It's designed not only for road trips but for a complete lifestyle shift, where you don't just travel, you live in comfort, class, and freedom. So what do you think of the 2026 Hummer Luxury Motorhome? Would you choose this beast for your adventures? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button if you enjoyed the tour, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping reviews of the world's most incredible motorhomes.